Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Dee and I'll show you real ways to earn money online, especially if you're in Nigeria or anywhere in Africa. Today I've got something powerful for you. Websites that pay you directly into your bank account, into your local bank account. No PayPal, no dollar cards, no stress. Just pure earnings straight to your bank. So stick around to the end. I've also included a bonus platform that is low-key helping thousands of Nigerians earn online. If today is your first time, comment first timer, but don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more videos like this, and share to others. Let's get started. Let's face it, guys. One of the biggest frustrations for Africans trying to earn online is payment. Most websites use PayPal, but if you're in Nigeria, Ghana, or several other African countries, you know that PayPal isn't fully supported, right? You might try to open foreign accounts or use VPNs, but that gets risky fast. That's why today's video is different. I'm showing you legit websites that will actually pay you through direct bank transfers or platforms that support Payoneer, which you can then connect to your local account in Naira, cedis, or Rand. So let's get into it. Let's start with a trusted platform called Opera News Hub. Opera News Hub, this site lets you write short articles on opinions, usually trending news, lifestyle, or personal stories. When people click or engage with your content, Opera rewards you. The website is hub.opera.com. When people click or engage with your content, Opera rewards you. Here's why I love it. It's free to join. You don't need to be a professional writer, and most importantly, they pay directly to your Nigerian bank account at the end of every month. You don't need PayPal. You don't even need a laptop. You can write and submit right from your phone. If you're consistent and creative, you can make between 30 to 100,000 Naira per month, depending on how your content performs. So go to opera.com, sign up, create, share, and earn. Share your stories, opinions, and life with over 350 million global active users. It's very easy. Just click on login or sign up button and get started. They offer diversified revenue strategies to encourage and promote better quality content. All right, they will pay you per article, and they also have bonus per performance. So go to hub.opera.com and sign up to get started. Next up on our list is Kwork. Kwork.com is the website. It's a platform for freelancers. If you can do things like graphic design, video editing, voiceover, or even write resumes, Kwork is perfect for you. It works just like Fiverr, but Kwork is less competitive and you can get orders much faster. And the best part, they pay through Payoneer. So if you're good with design, development and IT, writing and translations, SEO and web traffic, digital marketing, audio and video editing, business and lifestyle content, you're good to go. They pay through Payoneer, which you can connect to your local bank account in Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, and more. If you don't know how to create a Payoneer account, let me know in the comments. I know someone who started offering basic logo design for $10. Today, he makes over $300 monthly. Pro tip, if you're new, start small. Offer simple services to build trust and reviews. Then raise your prices gradually. Next up, for those of you who enjoy writing academic content, check out Kenyaplex.com. It's a Kenyan-based platform that pays Africans to submit educational content like school notes, past questions, and study guides. The more your content gets views, the more you earn. Payment is via M-Pesa. For Nigerians and other Africans, they will usually request your local bank details or provide mobile money options depending on your country. This is a great way to turn your school knowledge into passive income, especially if you're a student, teacher, or graduate. Here's the bonus platform I promised you guys. It's called OwoDaily. OwoDaily is a Nigerian-owned site that pays you for completing simple tasks online. These tasks include following Instagram pages, sharing YouTube videos, taking surveys, downloading apps, cashback rewards, and the best part, they pay you in Naira straight into your bank account, straight into your local bank account, and payments are processed weekly. All members get paid quickly and generously every Friday. Now, to join OwoDaily, there's a small one-time registration fee of around 3,000 Naira, but many people earn that back in just a few days. If you're consistent, it can be a steady side hustle for you. Plus, they also have an affiliate system where you can earn more money by referring friends and family. So to get started, go to owodaily.com, or I'll leave the link in the description for you guys. Let's recap the websites that actually pay you directly into your bank account without needing PayPal or dollar cards. First one is Opera Newshub. You get paid for writing trending content. The second one is Kwork, the freelancing platform made easy and pays via PayPal. Another one is Kenyaplex. It's an educational content writing platform where you get to write, where you get to showcase your skills in academic writing. And the bonus one is OwoDaily. It's a micro task platform that pays in Naira. Whether you want to write, design, teach, or just share links, there's something here for you. I always say this. The best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is now. Don't just watch, take action. Sign up for one of these websites and try out at least one today. I'm begging you, try out at least one today. If you want me to do a full step-by-step tutorial on any of these platforms, drop a comment below saying show me how, and I'll make that video for you. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. A good number of you watch my videos without subscribing. But don't forget to share it to others. Share it with your friends and family. Share it with your children, especially those looking to make money online from Nigeria or anywhere in Africa. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.